On Thursday of this week, I met with security guards from a number of the leading security companies and their consultant, Mr. Vincent Morrison, to discuss the current situation that they are facing. The background, of course, is a ruling of the Supreme Court towards the end of last year in a case brought by the National Housing Trust against one of the security companies, in which the court ruled that security guards are not contractors, which is how they had been treated by the security companies, but were employees under contracts of employment. This ruling has important implications for the security industry. The government, which through these companies employs over 60% of the security guards in the country, gave the companies until April 1 to implement the necessary changes to transition to treating the guards as employees in accordance with the court's ruling. However, the way in which the security companies have sought to manifest this is by giving the security guards new contracts to sign. And those contracts involve waivers and releases of their accrued rights. In other words, the guards are being asked to sign contracts in which they give up their historical rights from their years of service to the companies in the past. Naturally, the security guards are very reluctant to do this. It is unfair to expect them to do this. The government has been written to by the representatives of the guards. There has been no response forthcoming. The government needs to act as an honest broker between the security companies and the security guards to work out a solution that is balanced and fair to all. The security guards are prepared to be reasonable. They want the companies to stay in business and to do well so that they can continue to work in the industry. But it is not fair or reasonable or realistic to expect them to waive and give up their accrued rights. The matter is calling for a negotiated settlement. The Minister of Labour has tried to wash his hands of it by saying that the guards must take the matter to court or pursue whatever remedies they may have. That is not the first and most beneficial and favourable solution. The best solution is to bring both sides to the table and work out and negotiate a solution that all can embrace. And I'm calling on the Prime Minister to intervene in this matter to ensure that both sides come to the table and have bona fide discussions and negotiations to resolve the issues that is confronting this industry, which employs tens of thousands of people and affects many more people because, of course, the security guards have families too.